Kaya tinawag yan, sir, ng intelligence pati confidential. Kaya huwag kang magtanong kung anong confidential ginawa ko. Confidential nga eh. I am protecting the interest of the Republic when I dispense confidential funds to the military and the police. Do not make me account for something which I cannot do legally. That is not allowed by law. I am prohibited from doing it. Okay, let me answer you. Chance to answer. You are asking as if you are from the COA. Hindi ka naman COA. Hindi kita sagutin ng tama kasi wala akong alam.